squaring of any two-digit number in 10 seconds. Now let's see the rules one by one. Step 1. Memorize up to 25 square. That is, you need to memorize 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, up to 25 square is 625, like that. To apply this trick, however, you need to memorize the values up to 1 square to 25 square. Here I am showing you for your reference for the students, those who have not yet memorized it. So here it is given 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 8 square is 24, up to 25 square is 625. Okay, you have memorized. Then the step 2 is know the fact. That is, the fact is nothing but any value for 10 square. That is 10 square, you everyone know that it is 100. That is in 3 digits. Likewise 31 squares also end with 3 digits. That is, you need to memorize this. Like, so your 10 square to 31 square, always the result will be in 3 digits. Then 32 square to 99 square, always the result will be in 4 digits. Now the third step is classify the numbers into 2 broad categories. That is, all the 2-digit numbers can be classified into 2 broad categories. One is closer to 50, another one is closer to 100. So 50 base, that is 26 square, already you have memorized up to 25 square, 26 square to 75 square are all the numbers. That is, this range is to be considered under 50 base, and after 75, 76 square to up to 100 is enough, means okay. If you need more 25, it is up to 125 square can be taken under 100 base. So here in this session we can also learn more the numbers to 100 up to 125 square. Okay, now rule. So these 2 categories are also having specific rule. Whenever you are taking the range of numbers under 50 base, you need to consider 25. Whenever you are taking 50 base, you need to consider 25. Whenever you are considering the numbers, that is 76 square to 125 square, the numbers which are closer to 100 can be taken under 100 base. And what is the rule for 100 base is consider the given number. Initially, these 3 rules are enough. That is, memorize up to 25 square and know the fact, that is 10 square to 31 square, result is 3 digits, 32 square to 99 square, the result is 4 digits, and classify the numbers into 2 broad categories. One is 50 base and another one is 100 base. The range of the numbers is 26 square to 75 square lying under 50 base, and 76 square to 125 square under 100 base. It is nothing, students. 50 minus 25, 50 plus 25. 100 minus 25, 100 plus 25. As we have memorized up to 25 square, the 50 plus 25 and minus 25 is taken. Plus or minus 25, plus or minus 25. Now start the trick. So 49 square, 49 is the number in such a way it is above 32 square. So total number of result is 4 digits. That is, 4 digits the result will be. So here, then the next step is 49. How 49 is closer to 50? That is, 50 minus 49 is equal to what? It is 1. Nothing. So here, let's write 49 from the terms of 50. So 50 minus 1 is equal to 49, right? That's it. Whenever you got this point, then you will be able to get the answer quickly. So 50 minus 1 is 49. Whenever you are taking 50, what is the rule, guys? You want to consider 25, right? So 50 minus 1 you have taken. Instead, you want to take 25 minus 1 and simply write this result in the first 2 places. That is, 24 is the answer of the first 2 places. That's all. Okay, then what does the digit want to be written over here, it is nothing. What is the dummy number? Square the dummy number and write down the value over here. Okay, how to find the dummy number? Here 50 minus 1 is 49 and 25 minus 1 is 24, which is repeated. 1 is the repeated number. 1, 1. So the dummy number is 1. So what is 1 square? That is also 1. So answer 1 is to be written over here, but 2 places. So 1 can also be rewritten as 0, 1. That's all. How many seconds it was taken for the first time? So next sum can be easily solved using the same way. It is given 46 square actually. So here take 50 and 46. What is the difference? Simply it is 4. So don't write like this. Automatically you can come to the first thing, that is 50 minus 4 can be 46. Always write 46 in terms of 50. So 50 minus 4 is equal to 46 and 25 minus 4 is equal to 21. So 21 is going to be the first 2 digits. And what about the next 2 digits? The dummy number is 4 here because 4 is repeated. So 4 square is equal to 16. So my answer is 2116. Okay, next moving to the next sum. What is 41 square? 41 is what actually? 50 minus 41 is equal to 9. So 9 is to be subtracted from 25 directly. So 25 minus 9 is going to be 16. So 16 is to be accommodated in the first 2 places, and the last 2 places, what is the repeated number? Dummy number is 9. So 9 square is 81 and that is the answer, 1681. Okay, what is 38 square? Okay, little bit you want to watch it. So here 38 is nothing. What is 50 and 38? The difference is 12. So simply we can write it like this: 50 minus 12 is equal to 38. So what is 25 minus 12? Which is simply 13. So this 13 is to be accommodated on the first 2 places. And what about the last 2 places? 12 is the dummy number. So what is 12 square? 12 square is 144. Note down here 3 digits. But here only avail 2 places. These 3 digits ought to be placed in these 2 places. How means? Write down last 2 digits and extra 1 is to be carry forward. So my answer is 1444, and that is the trick. Now try to find 98 square and 81 square. Here we can take the 100 base because they are closer to 100, isn't it? So here 98 square also, the result will be in 4 digits. So simply take 100 minus 98 is equal to 2. So 98 is to be always written in terms of 100, which means 100 minus 2 is 98. There we have taken, whenever you are subtracting 50 minus 12 means you want to consider 25 minus 12. Simply here 100 minus 2, whenever you are following 100 base, the main rule is you need to consider the given number. What is the given number? Given number is 98 itself. So here 98 minus 2 is the number want to be written in the first 2 places. So here I am simply writing this 96 in these first 2 places. That's all. Then what is the dummy number here? We know very well the dummy number is 2. What is 2 square? 4. For 4, only 1 digit to be filled in 2 places. So extra number I am including 0. Don't forget it. It is to be written as 04, not 40. If when you are writing 40, it will become 40, right? So always write down the number from the last for the dummy number squaring. Okay, now let's see how to solve 81 square in a smart way. So 81 square is nothing. 100 minus 19 is 81, right? So here 100 minus 19 is 81. Whenever you are taking 100 base, consider the given number. What is the given number here? 81. So 81 minus 19 is what? It is 62, right? 62. So simply the 62 will be placed in the first two places. And what is the dummy number here? It is a 2-digit dummy number, that is 19 square. That's why I said you to learn up to 25 square. 19 square is 361. It is 361, not 364. 361. This 361 is to be written over here like this. That is 361. The 61 is to be written in the last two places. The excess 3 is to be carried forward. So what is the result? 6561. Even carry forwarding sums will take within 10 seconds. Without carry forwarding sums like these will be solved in 5 seconds. So this is the trick, guys.